In today's video, we'll be constructing the 60-degree angle using our compass ruler and pencil. So we're drawing a baseline first so that we can construct the angle. This line will be a construction line, it's a faint line, and we're going to measure 9 centimeters for the baseline, which is the horizontal line that we drew a while ago. So mark 0 and the 9 centimeters. We're going to label here capital A. Then we're going to label this N capital B. Then we're going to open our compass to about 2 centimeters or any radius convenient to you. And we're going to mark an arc with center point A to intersect the baseline. Then we're going to label this point 1 so that you can follow. We're going to put the compass at 1, same radius which is the 2 centimeter. We mark an arc to intersect the previous arc drawn. Then we use our pencil and ruler to draw a line from A through the intersection. This line will be the 60-degree angle. So what we're going to do now, we're going to label our drawing. So we're going to draw some guidelines, some faint lines, about 4 millimeters apart, so that we can label the drawing. So we're drawing another pair of lines so we can label. So we're going to label to construct a 60-degree angle. We have come to the end of today's video. In today's video, we looked at the construction of a 60-degree angle using our T-square as a straight edge, our ruler, pencil, and compass. At CAD with Mr. U, we aim to become your favorite math channel. We thank you for joining us, and in the next video, we'll be looking at the construction of an isosceles triangle. So we're looking forward to seeing you in that video. Please take care until then. Bye.
Thanks for watching the video, and don't forget to subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, comment, and share.